okay once before when I had two Road Kings with two different scenarios hooked up onto them. One was lids and lowers, the other one was just lids and no lowers. Similar amps, similar speakers and everything. So we have both with the same scenario, 6-speaker system, 2 speakers in the front, 2 horn tweeters, 4 6x9s, no tweeters in the bags. So both of them no carpet. The difference is the 6x9s, they both have the same bass amplifier. One has a different highs amplifier over there versus this one has, this is all my design over here. This was something I had to take over and rework it so to make it all good. So the problem is this one had a rattle. This one is more solid than me, but I did what I thought to fix it. We're gonna see which one's better. So we're gonna give both bikes the same 1 minute, same song, Snoop Dogg, Life for the Party, and we're gonna compare the sounds. What we're really concentrating on is the bass. The words will be pretty much the same. We'll do a little walk back, run back 30 seconds, run back to it, but concentrate on extra vibration sounds. Do they sound the same or do they sound slightly different? Which one is it better on the bass part? For that model, we'll run the same song. Stay tuned. That's it. Here we go.
It's your Uncle Big Snoopy Eagle Double G. And I'm ego tripping. I got my boy Mr. Heavy Hand. I got my boy Q Show.
So we can run it
Everywhere we go, we like to say we're the life of the party.
about the same distance, you know. "30 seconds, run it back."
Every time I show up, life for the party. Every time I blow up, the switch up, but don't drink all my liquor. You know it's all good, my
So that's how this one sounds. So now we're going to compare it to the second bike. Now this bike was inspired because they heard that bike. So same song. Here we go.
and I'm ego tripping. I got my boy Mr. Heavy Hand. I got my boy Q Show. And you know, everywhere we go, we like to say we the life of the party. Can you dig that? I'm only in town for a night. Every time I blow up, the switch up, but don't drink all my liquor. You know it's all good, my give me 1 second, I'll post.
Which one has a better bass? I got my opinion, but I want to hear what y'all got to say. So the question that I pose is, which one had the better bass? The green one or the black one? Vocals pretty much on par. I could bring those vocals up way louder, but then it'll overdrown the bass, but I can tweak with that. But I'm happy where it sits right now. And so y'all let me know in the comment which bike is the life of the party.
When I was walking down the street, I had trouble on my mind. Yes, I didn't. I saw a blind man walking. I heard him call my name. Couldn't believe what he said to
black bike got more bass, y'all. I'll make my recommendations to the owner of the gray bike, of the River Rock green bike. Let him get back to me.